Hey, my name's Alan. Let me just show you this little Frigidaire 5,000 BTU air conditioner. Just got this not long ago. Easy to install, probably took 30-40 minutes. Unlike some products, the directions were very simple, very straightforward, and easy to follow. This is really a no frills. It's just two knobs. There's no touchpad to go wrong or to go bad. Just couldn't be easier. You set your temperature here. Turn on the fan, turn on the cool. Low cool means there's, that's when the compressor's running. As far as noise, it's not that bad. Fits in the window great. I think it's fit for a 36-inch window. These are expandable, so whatever size your window is, it can fit that up to, I think it's up to 36 inches. I'm really not sure. It's attractive. It looks to be about 16, maybe 18 inches wide. Maybe 14 inches tall. When you install it, it has a tilt to it, which allows any condensation, any water that might accumulate back in the back where the compressor is to drain outside. So you don't have to have a drain plug inside or a hose inside. You got to run outside. It all drains outside because of the tilt that is built into the installation package. It has a filter. Slide the filter out to clean it. Very easy to do. And keeping your filter clean is a good way to keep the efficiency of it up. This will cool, they say, 150 square feet. I'm over that. I'm about 168. I think my room is 14 by 12. I've got a little home studio where I have this set up. You can't go wrong for the price. Again, no frills, no remote, nothing like that, nothing to break, nothing to put batteries in, just two little simple dials. High is not much noisier than low was. But again, no frills, but it's just terribly, terribly cheap. And you just can't go wrong. And right now, with the heat wave that's sweeping the country, these things are going like hotcakes. I know that for a fact. So if you're looking for a small window unit that won't use much energy, this might be it. I really like it. I think you're gonna like it too. And hope that helps you.